Please, please. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Woo-wee. She sounded good. Yes, sir. Booty action. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. What's good, family? Tony of the Quiet Storm here with another video. Hope everybody's doing well out there. Hope everybody's doing great, blessed, and all that. But what y'all think about this weather, man? Especially in North Carolina. Bipolar. It don't know. It still don't know if it want to be hot, warm, cold, whatever. But that's North Carolina for you. Been here my whole life and been there, done that. So it is what it is, you know. But as y'all see, well, I'm on the road. So it's early in the morning. Hit it on in to get my grind on at work. So, and actually grinding on my way to work because I'm making y'all this video. But come to y'all just to say thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. I hit 80 subscribers on over the weekend, and I appreciate all 80 of y'all. And I'm just asking y'all to do me a favor. You know, tell your friends, your family about my channel, and tell them to subscribe. Let's double that, and then tell them to tell their friends and family so we can triple that. You know, 2021 we all going up because I can't do it without y'all. Can't do it without y'all. So yeah, man, just I appreciate y'all, but like I said, I'm making this content. I'm doing it for y'all. Y'all my motivation right now. To keep on moving, keep on pushing forward. So I can't do it without y'all. So I definitely appreciate each and every one of you. So let's go up in 2021. On my way to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get it. But I can't do it without y'all. Definitely can't do it without y'all. But yeah, like I said, I definitely appreciate everybody who subscribed thus far, all 80 of you all. Let's go up. Keep grinding. and let's make it happen. Let's hit 1,000. You know, I say in the next couple months. If y'all can help me out with that, you know, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. But definitely got some more content coming. Just stay tuned. As I say, I'm balling on a budget right now. I ain't like all the other YouTubers that can, you know, just go buy stuff like that and get stuff done. You know, I'm taking my time. You know, like I said, balling on a budget. I got bills too, so gotta take care of my bills first, and then work on the car, try to hook it on up, make it look good. But gotta pay my bills first. So unless y'all gonna help me put a little bit in. Now I take donations, but yeah, man, we out here grinding hard, doing the best I can. Like I said, I can't do it without y'all. Definitely appreciate y'all. But hope you're blessed. Hope you're, continuing to stay safe out here. Even though they got these, what they call vaccine out here for COVID-19. But I'm not going to get into that. But if you got your vaccine, cool. I applaud you for getting your vaccine. If you got your first one, the second one, I applaud you for going out and getting it. Because I know a lot of people, some people is voluntary, some people is mandatory. But if you got your vaccine, my hat's off to you. But yeah, continue to stay safe out there, regardless of this vaccine. Continue to wear your mask, because you never know. Even though you get the vaccine, you can still probably catch it. I treat it as you do the flu. You might get the flu shot and think you're safe, still catch the flu. But everybody, y'all be safe out there, and protect yourself, protect your families, protect your friends, and it'll be all good. But as I said, I got some great ideas in my head right now. What I want to do to Sadie. Stay tuned. Like I said, it's coming. I ain't gonna say soon. Well, I ain't gonna say how soon, but it's coming. Just know it's coming. Trust me on that. But once again, I appreciate y'all, all 80 subscribers. Share with your family, friends, to subscribe to the channel, to like my videos, share the videos, and hey, oh yeah, y'all 80 subscribers, man, y'all comment, say something, man. Y'all too quiet. Say something that I can understand, cause I be getting some comments. I'm like, what that mean? So make sure I can understand your comments, but I definitely want to hear from you. Say hey or something. If you enjoy the channel, if you don't enjoy the channel, what I can do better with the channel, just let me know. My ears are open. I definitely welcome, other routes, other options that I can possibly do to make the channel better for you all. But say something, let me know something. Let me know if I'm doing good or if I ain't doing good. Like I said, or what I can do better. I value your advice, because I definitely appreciate y'all, because I can't do it without you. I know I said that 50 million times already, but I'm going to say it again. But definitely can't do it without y'all. You know, we going up. It ain't just I going up. We going up. You know, God's going to continue to bless us, you know, no matter what area we're in, no matter what we're doing, as long as we continue to move forward and strive for greatness. God is always in the midst of it. I never don't do anything by myself. I can't do it without him. You know what I'm saying? But on that note, thank y'all once again. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, and browse my channel. You know, 'cause like I said, I can't do it without y'all. You know, but definitely appreciate you. And as I in all my videos, God made all things possible. Nothing's impossible. As long as you continue to trust in him, have faith in him, believe in him, believe in yourself, trust yourself, have faith in yourself, everything will be all right. You will be blessed. So till the next time, family, I'll holler at y'all later.